Hey, it's Rafael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be checking out RJM in Port St Lucie, but they can actually build anywhere in Martin and Palm Beach County as well. The home we're going to see today is one of their Sage models, but they also have a lot of different floor plans and customizations to choose from. And something I really like about this builder is that they have a drawn up plan for a casita that's a great size and layout that would be a perfect fit for a guest house or a mother-in-law suite. So if you're looking for a new construction home, give me a call, send me a message, or schedule an appointment. This is what I do. I help people just like you buy, sell, or build their home. And I'm really knowledgeable on the different builders and options here on the Treasure Coast. So here we have their beautiful Sage model. This home is going to give you 2,279 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and a den, 2 bathrooms, and this is a split floor plan. So the master suite has a lot of privacy and space, but the kitchen and living room are still very open. If you were hoping for a pool in your new home, well, they have a partnership with a great pool company to get that done for you alongside construction of your home. And remember, you have the ability to make design choices and custom selections to really suit your taste and needs. So this is actually one of their smaller homes. So if you want something bigger with more luxurious features and finishes, or just a different floor plan, they have other options as well. And if you watch through to the end of this video and like what you see, this builder actually offers this and a few variations on this floor plan for nearly $40,000 less at the cost of sticking to their more basic standard features and limiting your customization. So if any of these options stand out to you, or you want to explore other home buying options, make sure you reach out to me so that I can help you. Again, my name is Rafael Gonzalez, and I'm a real estate agent here on the Treasure Coast that can help you whether you need to buy, sell, or build your home here in South Florida. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. So hopefully you enjoyed that beautiful model by one of our local builders, but this is just giving you a small catalog of what's available here on the Treasure Coast. As always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about our communities or our builders, or if you're looking to get into this area and want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to give out a ton of information that's going to help you make your decision about living on the Treasure Coast. And I'd love to help you with anything you like to do here in our market.